The monkey takes his car to the quick lube service station. They let him fill his jar up there when he's out of lubrication.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is another fun story. Spank the Monkey lends a hand. Yo, monkey helpful in every way. It's another narrated story by ITomFoolery. The original video will be in the link. And share this video, help me grow the channel. Like it. Now enjoy the story.
Round Books presents Spank the Monkey Lends a Hand. If you find yourself alone with much to think about, call Spank the Monkey. He'll come by and help you work things out. Just the other day, while walking on the farm, Spank the Monkey stopped to look in Farmer Johnson's barn. The air in there was warm. It smelled of salt and sweat and lotion. Way back in the corner was a constant steady motion. The farmer's arm was moving fast. His hands, they looked so worn. Spank the Monkey stepped right up and helped him shuck his corn. Spank likes to visit Grandpa, who loves his magazines. He has the first one and the last, and all the in-betweens. He flips right through the articles until his fingers blister. What he really likes to do is look at all the pictures. When Grandpa gets excited and messes up an issue, Spank is there to save the day with a box of tissues. Vinny has a job making sauce for pizza pies. As he cooks, he likes to watch the waitress go by. Vinny grabs his hard salami and he hides it from the boss. Then he goes into the pantry to make some secret sauce. Vinny makes a lot of sauce. He whips it up by hand. Spank has seen the waitress. He can understand. Spank the Monkey takes his car to the quick lube service station. They let him fill his jar up there when he's out of lubrication. From underneath the car on jacks came some grunting and a moan. That dirty old mechanic Max was down there all alone. Max's hands were greasy, his eyes were squinted shut. Spank was there to lube his tool and help him bust that nut. You may have heard it said that Spank only helps the guys. Please don't cloud your head with all those silly lies. Spank the Monkey actually likes girls more than boys. Every girl that he knows has a nightstand full of toys. Sally plays the flute all day in the marching band. She knows that when the day is done, Spank will lend a hand. When Sally goes to bed at night, her face is all aglow, 'cause Spank the Monkey's gonna have a finger puppet show. As the satin curtain drops, she thinks, I'm a lucky girl. Spank opens with her favourite scene, polishing the pearl. Sally dims the lights and makes sure the door is locked. Then Spank the Monkey oils her flute and puts it in her box.
I thought it was put it in her mouth, but that worked anyway. Thanks for watching, my peeps. I really hope, well, I know you enjoyed it. Now give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share the video, help me grow the channel. Until next time, stay safe. This gonna go down, this freaking vibe is so nice.